Cheers from
Good morning children, welcome to the English class. In today's session, we are going to revise chapter number 15 from your grammar book, and the title of the chapter is Kinds of Sentences. So before understanding the kinds, let us understand what is a sentence. A sentence is a set of words that contain a subject and a predicate. Children, about the subject and predicate you will be learning in grade 3. So first you have to understand this only, that a sentence is a set of words which contains a subject and a predicate. Now mainly there are three types of sentences which we have learned in this chapter, and these are statements, questions and exclamatory sentences. So first we will understand about statements. What are statements? Now sentences which state facts, describe things, express what a person likes or dislikes, or gives us an information about an event. These sentences are called statements. Understood children? Now here I have written few examples. The first sentence is, the sun rises in the east. As you can see at the end of the sentence, when the sentence is completed, here you can see full stop is used. So this is the easiest way to recognize which type of sentence it is. In statement, in these type of sentences you will find at the end full stop is used. But you have to read the sentence completely. Okay? So the sun rises in the east. Now this is fact. As this state facts. It is fact that every day the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now the next one is, next example here I have written is, volleyball is a good game. Now here it tells us or it describes about the game volleyball, that volleyball is a good game. Next is, I like to eat an ice cream. Here we have come to know that a person likes an ice cream. The last is, Rima and Seema have finished their exams. Now here we are getting the information that event has finished. So children, you have to remember that statements are the sentences which state facts, describes things, express what a person likes or dislikes, and gives us an information about an event. So I hope children it is clear to you. Now we will understand the next kind of sentence, that is questions. Sentences which ask for information. These are the sentences in which something is asked. So when something is asked in a sentence, that is a type of a question. Here examples I have written. In the first sentence you can see, how old are you? Now here something is asked, and at the end you can see the question mark also. And it is the easiest way to recognize which type of a sentence. In statement, at the end you will find full stop. In this kind of sentence, means in questions, you will find at the end question mark is used. So this is the easiest way to recognize which type of sentence it is. In this type of sentences, something is asked. So sentences which ask for something are questions. Now the second example is, what games do you like to play? Again something is asked. At the end you can see the question mark also. So it is a type of a question. The last kind of a sentence is exclamatory sentences. The sentences which expresses a sudden feeling of fear, surprise, a lot of happiness or pain. The sentences which tells us, which expresses a certain feeling when we are very happy, when we are very sad, when we feel painful. In these type of sentences, these are known as exclamatory sentence. So you have to remember that the sentence which expresses a certain feeling of fear, happiness, surprise are known as exclamatory sentence. Here are a few examples. What a lovely day. Now at the end of the sentence you will find exclamatory mark. So this will be very easy to recognize what kind of a sentence it is. At the end, exclamation mark is used, and this tells us the feeling of happiness. What a lovely day. Second is, oh no, I am scared. Now here the feeling of fear is there. Okay, and you can see the exclamation mark after the word oh no, and at the end also exclamation mark is used. So children, you have to remember that with the words like ouch, oh no, we use exclamation mark, and after the completing the sentence also we put the exclamation mark. In the last sentence, ouch, you stepped on my foot. Now this sentence expresses the feeling of pain. Ouch, you stepped on my foot. After the word ouch, you can see exclamation mark is used, and the next part, when the next part of the sentence is completed, then also exclamation mark is used. So children, I hope you have understood all the three kinds of sentences. Statements, at the end of the sentence, full stop is used. In this kind of sentence, being questions, at the end of the sentence you will find question mark, and about the exclamatory sentence, at the end of the sentence or at the end of some words like ouch, oh no, you will find exclamation mark. So children, now we will do some MCQ based questions which can come in your examination. Pattern will be the same, but questions will be totally different. So first question is, identify the kind of sentences. Sentences are given to you. You have to find out which is the correct kind of sentence. Okay. I am 7 years old. Now this sentence is a statement. Okay. As it is true, it is fact that I am 7 years old. And at the end you can see full stop. So this is option number A is correct, that is statements. Second is, do you want to play football? Now here something is asked. Do you want to play football? And at the end you can see question mark is also there. So which is the correct option? Option A statements, option B questions, option C exclamatory, option D both A and B. Which is the correct option? Yes, option number B is the correct answer, that is questions. Now third is, how good to see you. Here the feeling of happiness is there, and at the end you can see exclamation mark is used. So options are A statements, B questions, C exclamatory, and C none of these. Which is the correct option? Yes, exclamatory is the correct option. So children, I hope you have understood all the three kinds of sentences. Now these MCQ questions you have to note down in your grammar copy. The same thing I have uploaded as PDF also. So with the help of that PDF you can complete your work. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.